tātou. Kia ora tātou. Oh, I need to wā just a little hello. And yes, I got my fingerless gloves on, my karapu, my gloves. And yeah, it was a bit chilly tonight, but we finished not early. But I just feel, when I feel the buzz from it was a good class. And I just want to come on, say hello, sing a little song. Yeah, not drag it out too much, but yeah, you might see up behind me one of the tohu, like the insignia or the logo for the Ataaranagi. I've talked about the Ataaranagi a few times, and it was one of the methods I learnt on my journey, and I'm grateful to all the whānau, Katarina Mataira, Ngoingoi Pewhairangi, and all the other whānau that have been looking after that taonga and sharing it around the motu. And yeah, you know, the other day I heard someone else promoting their own style of reo on here, and they were saying, oh, you know, you don't need to only go to Awanuiarangi and the Ataarangi. But I don't like people who do that just to promote their own brand. I think, bro, you should just promote your brand and don't try and promote your brand by belittling something else or playing it down. The Ataarangi's been around longer than you've been in nappies, and it's been around for a long time, and all those beautiful people that taught it. But if you've developed methods of your own, talk about those. Don't worry about putting someone else's aside to make yours sound better. Anyway, with the little rant aside, one of the kuia tonight, beautiful kuia, her name's Whaia Marama, Marama Te Hata from Te Tairawhiti. And yeah, she reminds me of Ahu Whenua. She's all about looking after the whenua and the tuna, the tuna whakaheke, the migratory eels, and looking after the whenua. And she's like a kaitiaki of that mahi. Another whaia, he tākuta ia, Dr. Sharon, she's in the courts fighting for our whenua and down in the South Island, her and her husband, and got an awesome group. Yeah, and I can't stand up in a court and get the judge's attention, or I don't know what to do when I go down to the awa, and some people, that's their gift, and that's their tohungatanga, that's their ministry, and that's what they're good at. Anyway, I love having them in our group, and oh yeah, while I'm here, soon I'll be running a little Wānanga for us, maybe about 10-15 days. Watch out for it in June, in a couple of weeks' time. I'll run it probably for 2 or 3 weeks in the early part of June. So if you want to come along and have some fun and share the reo, whatever level you're at, beginners, intermediate, advanced, beyond advanced, you can come and help me to help the others. Anyway, the kuia says, can you sing that song to us? And I said, which one? She goes, Ngā Ture, Te Ataaranagi. And I went, oh, okay then. And I sung it without the guitar. I don't know if I can play it with these, but let's just have a little sing-song. It's not about how flash can I sing it. And I might even be a bit flat. But here's my pātai. What are the 4 ture? But my other thing is, what is the tune? I love all the tunes the Ataarangi used. They were always playful, joyful. And to tell the truth, I learnt a lot of them, I reckon, when I was a kid in my pram, and my old man and them were having parties back in the old days. But they're joyful songs. And they're waiata kinaki. And they're not just any waiata kinaki. They support the kaupapa or the cause. So here's a waiata kinaki from the Ataarangi. I don't even know if I got the right tune, but here goes. Kia mau ki te aroha, oa ke tonu e. Kaua e kōrero Pākehā, kaua e poka tikanga ho, kaua e aki te tahi i te tahi. Kia ahu atu, te pātai kia koe, ka tahi anō, koe ka ahe ki te whaka, o ki u kia ngā kaumaha ki, Te tahi ki te tahi, kia mau ki te aroha, oa ke tonu e ano. Ho! Kaua e kōrero Pākehā, kaua e poka tikanga, kaua e aki te tahi ki te tahi, kia ahu atu te, e pātai kia koe. Ka tahi anō, koe ka ahe ki te paka, o ki kia ka kaumaha ki. Te tahi ki te tahi, kia mau ki te aroha, oa ke tonu e. Kia mau ki te aroha, oa ke tonu e. Kiss me on the neck. No reira, tēnā koutou. I'll try and keep it short because you know the algorithm doesn't like it on TikTok when you take too long. Give me a follow, give us some support on our pages. Let's Learn Māori, that's one of them. And the other one, Kiimai Māori, Aoitepö. And if you want, friend me, Te Umuariki on Facebook, and I can hound you and send you some links. It's a lot easier. All right, that's enough for a mellow puff. Have a good night. Don't forget, kia kaha, kōrero te reo Māori, i te Aoitepö, haumi e hui e, tae ki e.